In a remote valley nestled between golden hills and flowing rivers, there lived a silent master named Sivan. People said he had once been a warrior, a poet, and a monk, but now he simply lived quietly, peacefully, in a humble stone hut, surrounded by flowering trees and the wind's gentle song. Pilgrims often came to him, hoping to receive wisdom. Some returned disappointed. Others left changed without ever hearing him speak. His silence wasn't cold, it was rich, like the hour after rain. Those who stayed long enough began to hear it. One summer, a very young man named Amar arrived. He had traveled for days, leaving behind a life of prestige and comfort. Amar was not just curious, he was desperate. He had conquered battles, earned respect, and mastered scriptures, but inside he felt hollow, as if he stood on a mountain made of echoes. He approached the master and bowed. I have come seeking the truth. Teach me what you know. The master only smiled and gestured to a bench beneath a frangipani tree. Amar sat, expecting words to follow. None came. The first day passed in silence. Amar grew restless. By the third day, frustration gripped him. Master, he said, I left behind everything to learn from you. Why wouldn't you speak? Still Sivan said nothing. On the fifth day, Amar stood and paced. I have studied under scholars, meditated for hours, and read the sacred texts. What more do I need to do? The master looked up from the water he was pouring onto a plant and said gently, until the noise within you quiets down, you will not hear what has always been here. Amar blinked. Something in him softened. From that moment, he stopped demanding. He began to watch the bees circle the flowers, to feel the breeze move across his skin, to notice the way the master walked slowly, aware of each step. Each day was the same. No lectures, no commandments, just silence, repetition, presence. Weeks passed. Amar noticed the thoughts in his mind beginning to slow down. His chest no longer felt tight. One morning he opened his eyes before dawn and watched the sky shift from black to deep orange. A tear slipped down his cheek, not from sadness, but release. One day, the master brought Amar a bowl of water. Without a word, he poured tea into it until it overflowed. Amar stared, confused. The master looked at him and spoke. When a cup is full, nothing more enter. Empty yourself. Amar bowed deeply. He finally understood. Not everything needed to be filled when words or explained. Some truths needed only to be experienced. He stayed a little longer, then left without a farewell. There was no need. He didn't walk away with answers. He walked away with peace. And the master remained beneath the frangipani tree, silent and smiling.